In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to create glowing text in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I have a blank page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some text on here by clicking this text box here. And I'm going to go ahead and type something in here. Just going to add a title. And I'm going to call this glowing, something like that. Let's go ahead and make this a little bigger or a lot bigger so we can actually see it. I'll move this, actually not this. I will move the text itself, right? Move it right here. All right. So first thing I want to do is going to be to change the color of the text. Let me go ahead and go to color. And I am going to change this to this color here, okay? Actually, not that. Control Z. Select the text itself again. Go to the colors. And I will change it to maybe a red color like that. Let's see, let's change it to this over here, okay? All right, so once you change the color, you want to go over to effects while you still have the text selected. Go to effects, and underneath the style here, you are going to see where it says neon, okay? Click on neon. There we go. Now we have a glow effect on our text here. So the thing you can change here is going to be the intensity. So you can change, let's see if you want to increase the intensity of this glow. So as much as you want here, put it at 100% for maximum effect. This is how you are going to be able to create this glowing effect using the neon style under effects for text. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.